Hello everybody, how is everybody doing today? I hope you're well. Loving the weather, of course. It's beautiful outside at the moment. So as you can see, this is Dawn's new release, and I've got to say, I've only had a little peeky peek at it, but amazing. Yeah, I've been wanting to play with this release for ages. I've had it, sorry, I've had it for a while, and yeah, I've just been itching to play with it. So this one, oh, go back in there. I love it. Sorry. This release is called Tribal Treasures. And yeah, I'm loving the look of it so far. So these are the words. Oh, you get them gold on white paper. They might all be different actually. And then white on black. I'm going to have a look because, yeah. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Oh, I like the font as well. That is beautiful. Isn't it? Oh, yeah. I love it. I really do. And let's have a look at these ones. Oh, yeah. Can you see? So we've got gold. They might all be gold, actually. Oh, no, 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 no. We've got black on white. So, oh my God, they're beautiful, Dawn. Right, let's just not put them back in the packet because I'm not fighting with plastic today. Ooh, these are cool. It's them wooden masks. Oh, they're brilliant, them. Oh, I like. Let's get them out of the packet. Get rid of the packet for now. Wow. Oh. Oh my God, these are brilliant. Oh, these are absolutely fabulous, these. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun. Love them. Absolutely love them. Wow. Wow. Oh, these are brilliant, these. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Ephemera sheets there. Oh, everything wants to just explode out. Stay there. Right, now I'm going to get to the main part. I try and open these dead careful, but yeah, it never happens. I always seem to rip it. Oh my goodness, it is packed as usual. She's absolutely brilliant, isn't she? Yeah, she is. So we have these wooden pieces. So I'm going to have to get everything out of the packets. I'm sorry. This might take a while. So we've got hearts and stars. I love. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? I like them all. Yes, she has done an amazing job here. So we've got these as well. Let's have a look at these. Oh, I think it's a fox. Could be. That's a bear, definitely. Oh, we get a beautiful lady. We get a dress, tribal dress. I like that. Oh, look at that. We get a little fox with feathers in his head. Oh, so cute. More wooden pieces. Oh, I like these. These are nice, aren't they? Beautiful, yeah, everything's just so nice. Some gorgeous big yellow flowers there. I mean, I mean, look at that. You could make that into like a closure on a journal or a diary. Oh, that would look absolutely amazing with these as well. Oh, yeah. That's a brilliant idea, that, Claire. And we've got even more wooden bits. Yes, we have. Okay, so these are just plain, but aren't they fab? Oh, I like that. That's nice. You just colour that in and have it as a bauble on your Christmas tree. I know it's early. Don't mention Christmas. Shh. But yeah, lots of ideas with these. Yeah, I like these little things. Yeah. Oh, they're absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's carry on. Ooh, I like the look of this. It's a trim. Oh, that's nice. Yes. Oh, I like that. It's got an ombre effect because it goes from light to mid and then to dark, and it's got silver running through it. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous, that. Like I said, so many ideas running through my head at the moment. Oh, and she's actually cut up some of the ephemera. I think I've got something to tell you about this this release. I'll get my book out in a minute and I'll have a look. Yeah, she's cut some of the ephemera up for you. Oh, these are fab. I love these. These must have took her ages to fussy cut. Wow, she has so much patience when it comes to fussy cutting. She really has. Ooh. Right, okay. Moving on. Ooh, we have these gorgeous flowers. I love the colours of everything. It's all like oranges and browns and a little bit vintagey, I've got to say as well. So you get leaves, you get these gorgeous flowers. Don't know what they are, but yeah. You get roses. I mean, that looks a little bit like a daisy, but it's orange. Can you get orange daisies? I don't know. Let's just put them there. You get some split pins, brads, yeah. You get little heart iridescents, gemmies. You get these gorgeous crystal, are they flat back? Yeah, they're flat back, iridescent crystal-y type things. Ooh, and you get pearls. I love the pearls. Gorgeous big pearls as well. We'll get onto the paper. We'll get onto the papers in a moment. But ooh, got some more words and some gorgeous sequins that go so well with this kit. So we have got a stencil. I like that stencil that way, Claire. Yeah, I like this stencil. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, and I like the stamp as well. Like the butterfly. It's a gorgeous stamp set. It's feathers and flourishes and flowers and butterflies. Oh, and conkers. Yeah, I like that. Very, very nice. So we're on to the papers. Right, move them over there. So these are, I can't remember, these are 6x6 squares, and it's just like copier paper, I think, a little bit thicker. So we have that one. Oh, these are beautiful, aren't they? Yeah, very muted colours. I love them though. I think they're perfect for this. Right, we're getting there. Put them there. Gorgeous oranges. I'm really getting into my oranges at the moment. It's not a favourite colour, but yeah. It's slowly changing my mind. I like the shapes and everything. Oh, they're beautiful. So you get 2, 4, 6. You get 8 6x6 papers. And ooh, she's brought this out again. Very, very nice. I can't remember which kit this was in. I could have a quick look. No, not that one. Is it that one? I think it's that one. Nature's Treasures. I think. Yeah, I think that's the right one. Nature's Treasures. See, I've just got all my kits here beside me. Yeah, Nature's Treasures, I think it is. But yeah, let's move that out of the way. So that's your front. So you get 21 sheets of pattern paper, 7 designs, 2 sheets of fussy cutting elements, 1 design. So we've got these. I'm going to try and do it nice. We have these. We have these. Aren't these pretty? And they just go so well with her new papers. Yeah, definitely. I love these papers. And there we go. So they're the papers. And this is the fussy cutting pack here. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love this kit. I really do. Let me just bring everything back in and I will have a look in my book. Let's get rid of these packets for now. And I will put everything away. Yeah. Oh, it's another packet. Another packet. So, okay. Right. Is that nicey nice? Is it nice? I just want to bring some of these back in because I think they're absolutely amazing. And this trim, love it. Love it. Where's them tribal? These. Oh, beautiful. Right, let me look in my design team book at this release. Right, okay. Tribal Treasures. Yeah, so I've got a few things to tell you. What's this? 6x6 papers available digitally. So yeah, yeah, you can buy them, download them and print them out yourself. There's 3 designs, 24 sheets altogether, and 3 packs of ephemera available separately. I think I've got that right. And also from the 1st to the 5th of June, you get free Vintage Treasures pack. I think it's just the papers. So yeah, I think that's it. But everything will be linked in the description box below, so please check that out. And I've also the design team have yeah, I'm not gonna say anymore. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, because it's gonna be amazing. I'm excited about it anyway. Yeah, it's all to do with the design team and this kit. Yeah, so but you will see that soon enough. So yeah. So there's no sneak peeks this time. This unboxing will be before the 1st, because the thing that we are doing will happen on the 1st of June. You've probably already guessed anyway, but yeah. I can't wait to get started on it. So that is it. Oh, absolutely amazing. I love it. Can you tell I'm excited? Oh, looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the design of everything. Her new papers. Yeah, it's just all beautiful. I mean, look at these. Aren't they just fabulous? All these wooden pieces. Yeah, I think they're just amazing. Right, okay, I'm going to stop waffling. I'm going to let you go. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.